Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix flight mode not showing in Taskbar system tray in Windows 11. So to fix this problem, click on this Wi-Fi icon. Now here click on this edit pen icon for quick edit settings. Now click on add and here you have to find out this airplane mode. Now it will appear here. You can enable or disable by selecting it. So firstly click on done. Now you can enable airplane mode. Also you can disable. So this is the setting guys. You can enable or disable and you can fix airplane mode not showing in Windows 11 taskbar. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you.